Hello everyone, this is Rohipar from Mactown and let's jump right into the video. So this is just a picture, but this was my previous condition when I didn't know this trick. But as you guys know that many of you, 99% of you use Microsoft Office in daily basis like Word Office, PowerPoint or Excel sheet, anything. Because it's the best right now. And but you all know we need activation key because Microsoft Office is not a very cheap product, it's very expensive. So you guys may use some cracked version of Word Office, but it's not good, right? So today I'll show you how you guys can download the official Office and after that activate that official Office. So all you need to do is download the Office software from the official site of Microsoft Office. After that, something like this would appear in front of you that activation is required. This is just a picture to demonstrate, but I'll show you the process. And this is my current situation. Product activated. As you can see, this is the same sort of product is activated. Previously it was like this. So I'll show you how you have to do this, how you can do this. So to activate your software, like just like me, all you have to do is go to the KMS server, which is already mentioned in the description below. Click on the server, click on yes. Something like this would appear. Click on next. I accept the agreement. Click on next. The program file would be there. Click on next. Okay, click on next. So it would take around 2 to 3 seconds to install on your database or your system. After the setup is done, open KMS app, and here is the KMS app. It would create some weird sounds. Don't be afraid, there is no problem. Here it is, the Office sign is available in front of you. Just click on this red button. It would take around 5 minutes. My Office is already updated, so I don't need to update it again. And after that, your result would be something like this. Your product would be updated. No activation required. Ping pongs. This product is unlicensed, connected to a corporate network, contact our system administration. So this was a very nice and informative video. So if it works for you, then do give me a like, do share my video and do subscribe. Till then, peace out guys.